In this video, I will show how to buy shares of Armlogi Holding Corp. Armlogi operates in logistics and supply chain services and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BTOC. This guide is educational and not financial advice. You need a broker account to buy shares, and I use eToro here as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify the account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker BTOC to find the company listing. Select the matching Armlogi Holding Corp entry to open the asset page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is the correct listing. Verify the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker is BTOC. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you wish to purchase, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. For the platform link and more information, see the description below.